Welcome to your daily dose of positivity. In just a few minutes, we'll set the tone for a productive and fulfilling day. These affirmations are designed to help you unlock your best self today. Take this moment to pause, breathe deeply, and tune in. By embracing these affirmations, you'll align your mind and energy with success. Ready to take on the day with a positive mindset? Let's begin. I am capable, confident, and ready to tackle this day. I welcome productivity, focus, and clarity into my life. I have all the tools and abilities I need to succeed today. Every task I complete brings me closer to my goals. I am energized, motivated, and inspired to do my best. I am focused and clear about my goals today. I have the confidence to take bold steps towards my dreams. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. I take consistent action towards my goals, no matter how small. I radiate positive energy and attract success. Every task I complete brings me closer to my goals. I am energized, motivated, and inspired to do my best. Thank you for sharing this moment of positivity. Now go out and create a wonderful, productive day. You've got this.